If you're near retirement and somewhere in the back of your mind, there's a quiet voice asking, is what I have saved going to be enough? Stay with me because I'm 63 and I spent 36 years at a Fortune 200 company. And when I heard that voice, I didn't ignore it. I opened up one AI prompt and typed something I should have asked myself years ago. I'm not a tech genius. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to show you what happened when I opened up one AI prompt and typed something I should have asked myself years ago. I'll show you that in a minute. But first, here's why this matters right now. Social Security is on the table. Your 401k may not stretch as far as you planned. The cost of living keeps rising. And if you're over 50 and feeling behind, I want you to hear this clearly. You're not starting from nothing. That's what the world keeps telling people our age. You're too late. You missed your window. You should have started 20 years ago. Here's the truth. The thing people actually pay for is not code. It's not editing videos. It's not understanding algorithms. It's clarity. And you have more of it than anyone. The problem is most people over 50 are asking the wrong questions. The wrong question is, what can I still do? The question puts pressure on you. It makes you feel like you're behind, like you don't have enough. Here's the question that changed everything for me. What problem have I already solved that someone else is just now facing? That one question, that's the shift. Instead of starting with pressure, we start with clarity. Let me show you how one prompt took 36 years and turned into something I can actually use. I opened a free AI tool, nothing complicated, no technical skill required. I typed this. Based on 36 years of experience at a Fortune 200 company, leading teams, building operational systems, training people, and managing complex projects, identify the 5 biggest problems my experience could solve for someone who is starting their own small business or building an online community. For each problem, write one lesson I could teach in a short video or course module. Format this in a 5-lesson course outline. That's it. I didn't ask the AI to write a book. I didn't ask it to make me a business plan. I asked it to organize what I already knew. And in less than 60 seconds, it gave me this. 5 lessons from my own experience, things I've done hundreds of times, things I could teach in my sleep, operations management, team leadership, system thinking, problem solving, training and development. Here's what nobody tells you about starting over after 50. You already have the hard part done. That one prompt gave me clarity, a starting point, something I could actually build from. But here's where I need to be honest. Having a course outline is not the same as having income. Having experience is not the same as having a business. The gap between the two is something nobody talks about. See, the AI gave me what to teach, but it didn't tell me where to teach it, how to get people in the room, how to get paid. That's the part most people our age get stuck on. They know they have something to share. They just don't know where to share it. Let me tell you what I did next. I found a platform called Skool, Skool, $9 a month. For $9, you get the entire business stack, your own community where people post, comment, connect, no algorithm hiding anything, a classroom where you can put videos, PDFs, lessons, available 24/7, live events, coaching calls, direct messaging to every member, even gamification, leaderboards, so you stay engaged. It does payments, all for $9 a month. So think about this. If you have one member paying $17 a month, maybe $27 a month, or whatever you charge once you get going, that one member covers your monthly payment for the community. Think about it. $9. But here's the thing. Having the platform isn't the same as having the community that pays you. And this is where I'm different from everyone else teaching this. Most people teaching schools show you the buttons, click here, upload this, set your price, then they leave you alone. I don't, because I'm 63 and I remember what it feels like to stare at a blank screen and think, where do I even start? So I walk people through it, step by step. I help them build their community. Or if they don't want to figure it out at all, we build it for them. They just launch. 3 things nobody tells you about starting after 50. Number 1, your experience is worth more than a degree. The things you've done, the problems you've solved, the years you've put in, that's not outdated. That's the product. People will pay to be in the room with someone who's already walked the path. Number 2, you don't need to learn everything. You don't need to code. You don't need to understand algorithms. You need one thing: clarity on what you already know. AI handles the rest. Number 3, the best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time to start is right now. And unlike 20 years ago, you have tools that didn't exist. AI didn't exist. A platform that does everything for $9 didn't exist. You're not too late. Here's what I want you to do right now. I built something called the Experience to Income Pathway. It has 3 levels. First, the free starter tier. You join the community. You see how it works. You get access to resources and recordings. No pressure, no payment. Second, the guided build out. If you want to build a community, but you don't want to do it alone or figure it out alone, I walk you through it. Week by week, we review what you have done. We don't move forward until you're ready. Third, the done for you at build out. You come with your experience. We build the entire thing for you. You launch. You don't even have to touch a button unless you want to. I'm not promising you'll make $10,000 next month. I'm 63 and I don't do hype. What I can tell you is this: you have something nobody else has. Your years, your experience, your clarity. And for $9 a month, you can start building a community around it right now. That's not a dream. That's a plan. See you inside.